Hello everybody. Today let's talk about how to trade arbitrage. Trading arbitrage actually is amazing, and I think every trader is interested in this kind of trading style. But trading arbitrage is not so simple, and you need to prepare for several conditions. And without the conditions, and you cannot trade arbitrage. The first condition you need to prepare is you need to have different accounts created in different brokers. Why? Because if you just create accounts in the same brokers, you cannot get the difference of the prices. So you need to, I think trading is very simple and just sell high and buy low. So you need to get the difference of prices to trade arbitrage. So you have several accounts signed in different brokers is one of the prerequisite conditions to trade arbitrage. The second condition is the several brokers need to have different speeds. If they have the same speeds, and you cannot get a very high spread between their ask and bid. So you need to have different brokers with different speeds. One should be normal latency, and the other one should have low latency. Then you can get the opportunity to trade arbitrage. And the third condition is you need to have a trading platform to support these kind of functions. I used a lot of trading platforms before, but these trading platforms don't support signing to different accounts at the same time. So you need to log out from one account and then signing to another account. So these trading platforms don't support multiple accounts management. And in our trading platform, Fintechee, and you will have this kind of function, and you can sign into different broker at the same time. And as our demo, and we just provide one broker, and if we go live, and we can get different brokers, and it will offer you chances to sign into different accounts at the same time. And the fourth condition is you need to have an automated mechanism to monitor the market movements, because you cannot do that manually. Trading arbitrage cannot be run manually. Why? Because you get every tick in a very fast speed. And how you can check the tick every second on the different charts? You cannot do that. So you need some automated trading mechanism to monitor the different data codes from the different brokers. That's required as well. So you need to prepare for the four conditions at the same time. Other trading platforms don't support these conditions. And in our trading platform, Fintechee trading platform template, and we provide this kind of functions. And you can sign into different accounts under different brokers at the same time. And we offer EA trading robots, and you can run some EA to monitor different data quotes from different brokers at the same time. And we provide source code to refer to, so you can check this EA, sample trading arbitrage, and check the source code to know how to do trading arbitrage. Okay, so we provided a lot of useful functions in Fintechee trading platform, and please use and try demo for free. Okay, so today's topic is trading arbitrage. Hope for this tutorial video is helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.